Most people treat their home router like a piece of furniture they want to hide behind a curtain or bury in a dusty corner. Then you see this flagship quad-band monster and realize your old setup was basically a relic from a different era. It looks serious. It sits there with those massive antennas like it is ready to beam signals across a stadium. The second you plug it in, the whole vibe of your home network changes. You are not just getting a little boost in speed. You are stepping into the next generation of how we connect to the world. Setting up high-end tech usually involves a massive headache and a lot of swearing at a computer screen. Not here. The mobile app makes the process feel incredibly smooth and modern. You are up and running in minutes without ever touching a confusing manual. Once the signal goes live, the performance is just staggering. We are talking about the kind of speed that makes your current internet feel sluggish. If you have a house full of people all trying to stream, game, and work at the same time, you know the struggle of the dreaded loading circle. This device kills that frustration for good. It uses 4 different frequency bands to manage your traffic. It is like adding 10 extra lanes to a congested highway. Your gaming console gets its own space. Your work laptop stays fast and steady. Your smart fridge and light bulbs stay in their own lane too. Everything just moves. The latest wireless standard is the real star of the show here. It offers a level of responsiveness that feels almost instantaneous. Pages do not just load, they appear. Large file transfers that used to take 20 minutes are finished in a flash. The range is another massive win for anyone with a larger home. If you live in a place with thick walls or multiple floors, you know those annoying dead zones where the signal just dies. This router reaches into those corners and brings them back to life. You can walk from the garage to the attic without losing a single bar of signal. Gamers will specifically love the ultra-low latency. In a fast-paced match, a millisecond of lag is the difference between winning and losing. This connection feels as stable as a physical cable plugged into the wall. You also get incredible control through the software. You can see exactly which device is hogging the data and fix it with a single tap. You can set up security walls to keep your family safe. The price tag is definitely a premium investment. This is not for someone who just checks their email once a day. This is for the power users. It is for the households with dozens of connected devices. It is for the person who wants to be ready for the technology of 5 years from now. If your current gadgets are all older, you might not see the full potential yet. But if you have the latest phones and laptops, it feels like unlocking a hidden level of performance. It is reliable and rock solid. You stop thinking about your router because it never fails you. You do not have to crawl under the desk to reset it every week. It just works. This is a bold statement piece for any modern home. It turns your living space into a high-speed data hub that can handle anything you throw at it. It is fast, it is smart, and it is built for a future where everything stays connected.